Hi everyone, welcome back to Saas Pro. In this video, I'll show you how to make a Sprunki OC in Scratch, step by step, using a downloadable project and simple customization tools. Step 1, click the first link in the description. It will take you to the official website, so don't worry, it's completely safe. Step 2, on the top right corner of the page, type Sprunki into the search bar and press Enter. Step 3, look for the version made by Wolf Hall. Make sure you choose that one, not the others. Step 4. Click on it, then hit the download button. The file should start downloading to your device. Step 5. Once the download is complete, you're done with the first website. Now, move on to the next step. Step 6. Click the second link in the description. This will take you to Scratch.com, where we'll build your OC. Step 7. Hit Enter, and once the site loads, click on Start Creating at the top. Step 8. On the editor page, click on File in the menu bar, then choose Load from your computer. Step 9. Head to your Downloads folder and look for the file named Incredible Box Sprunki. Step 10. Click Open to upload that file into Scratch. The project will now load up. 11. Once it opens, you'll see all the Sprunki elements ready to edit. You can now start customizing. Step 12. Click on any character and make it your own. Change the colors, add special features, and design it however you like. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Saas Pro for more creative tutorials.